Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha Rane. I'm proud to be part of this organization since last 8 years. I'm handling accounts and finance function. So quickly, I'll talk about how organization can support women leaders in the organization. So firstly, level the playing fields. So in level the playing fields, we can say the equal opportunities in for the promotion. Uh, the giving leadership roles is equally important. We can say there will be no bias in hiring and giving the promotion. Secondly, I can say invest in their growth. So invest in their growth, it leads to connecting with the leaders, offering the mentorship and leadership training to design their woman expertise. It's like where the senior managers and the colleagues can enhance their advancement. Thirdly, we can say create a supportive culture. So supportive culture refers to arrangement for the flexible work arrangement to give their work life balance, considering the societal expressment to on the woman. It also, we can say, there will be no discrimination and the woman. It includes the environment where women feel safe and valued their thoughts. So finally, I can say amplify their voices. So actively seek out and value women leaders' perspective in the decision making. So provide platform to them to share their expertise and build their visibility. I can conclude over here. So there are, I can say there are four key areas that I have explained, like equal opportunity, growth, investment, uh, supportive culture, and amplify their voices. So my biggest learning, it's not about having the all answers and the solution, but the empowering others to find them. So earlier I thought being a leader meant being the smartest person in the room, the one who have all the solution. But I quickly realized that not sustainable. So you need to develop your team. So women intake can is a crucial thing. So it can be a pressure to overcompensate and prove yourself by knowing everything. So it's like building a strong team, for fostering their confidence and creating environment where everyone feels safe and contribute their unique skills and ideas. It's like about the asking right question, active listening, trusting them. The team expertise has become, we can say, it's about being a connector, facilitator, not just a director. So become a leading woman in the tech. It's not being a lone wolf genius. We can say we need to support other women and value their perspective in decision making. So leadership comes with the empowering other team members, other women and the colleagues, which leads to motivate them, and it leads to innovation and the success. You don't need to become a coder overnight to boost your tech smarts. So today I will share 3 hacks to enhance your tech capability. So hack number 1, we can say become a curious clicker. So explore your tools and the software that you are using. Go to the option and click on that. You just get the knowledge. You need to explore that thing, and there is always a undo button. There is a reason to praise. There is a reason to have the undo button. Go and check that, explore that thing. Slowly you will build your tech knowledge and explore that thing. So hack number 2, I can say be friend to Google and YouTube. You can encounter with a technical term that you doesn't understand, go to the Google it. You can get amply the number of steps and the videos. You can explore it. With the said this, you can easily get a friend with the YouTube and their videos. There are countless video available with a step and step guidelines. uh, so hack number three, I can say, go to the tech savvy folks and touch base with them. If you are okay to go with them, don't be shy. Go to that person, talk with them. You will get quickly knowledge about the tricks and the tips how they are using in their day-to-day life. So don't be shy, go to them, get the knowledge, and there are multiple people who are happy to share their knowledge to you. I can conclude with these three hacks. I can say you will be surprised how quickly you can get a technical knowledge and the enhance your tech capabilities. Thank you.